Hi guys, welcome to another episode of
Pika Is.
I'm Enrix.
And I'm Eltonia.
Today we are going to show you another spaghetti recipe.
Spaghetti stir fry.
Our ingredients for today are
spring onions, garlic, cooking oil, carrots, tomato sauce, soy sauce, cabbage, green bell pepper, yellow bell pepper, red bell pepper, and finally our spaghetti.
We now heat the pan and add in the cooking oil. We add in the spring onions. We now add in the spring onions.
Wait for about 1 to 2 minutes. After you see that it has started browning,
We add in garlic.
the garlic makes the food have a nice aroma. Wait also for about 1 to 2 minutes. The whole kitchen is smelling nice because of the garlic. We now add in our green bell pepper, and isn't the kitchen smelling so nice?
Oh, it's smelling so nice. The aroma is very good.
Wait for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, we see the garlic cooked very fast. So make sure don't crank up the heat. Just put it to medium heat. We now add in our carrots and immediately we add our red bell pepper and also our yellow bell pepper and stir.
The yellow bell pepper and the red bell pepper makes the food colorful and appealing to the eye.
After stirring for about maybe 30 seconds, you can now add your cabbage. can see how the food looks so colorful.
We now add in the previously boiled spaghetti and stir properly until they all mix well.
Stir for about 1 minute to ensure that everything is mixed properly. After mixing it properly, we now add in our soy sauce.
1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And stir properly.
Remember, there are 2 types of soy sauce. We have the dark soy sauce and the light soy sauce. So if you want your food, if your food is not that salty, you put in the dark soy sauce since it has a lot of its salt content is a lot. But if you had previously added salt in your food, I would advise that you put in the light soy sauce since it doesn't have a lot of salt content. Next, we now put our tomato sauce.
1 tablespoon of tomato sauce.
Stir properly.
Altonia, isn't the food really looking amazing?
Yup, I can't wait for it to be on the table. After stirring for about 1 minute, the spaghetti stir-fry is ready for serving. Tasting time. Very delicious.
Yeah, it is very delicious. This exciting recipe spices up a spaghetti into lip-smacking good. That's all we had for today. Tune in for another tantalizing recipe.
Remember to subscribe to our channel if you haven't, so that you'll be the early bird to watch our new videos once we post them. Also, like, comment on how the food is, and share it to your friends and family.
See you next time.
Bye.
guys, welcome to yet another episode of Pick Up With The Ease. Today we are going to be making another spaghetti recipe.
Testing time. Very delicious.
This is a nice way of spicing up your spaghetti and making it a tantalizing. Tune in for another recipe.